Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So 5 tips I'm going to give you about hiring a good web developer. If you're a web developer, you must really know these 5 tips. When an employee is going to hire you, you must polish this kind of skill and then try to get the job which you're looking for. So number one tip is your work experience. If you are an employer, if you're employee, basically employer should always look at the work experience or portfolio. If you do not have a work experience, you should always look at a portfolio, his project. The web developer you are hiring, just look at his project, what the hell he have done in past, what kind of things he have built, what kind of web apps he have built. If you are a web developer, if you don't have even a portfolio, why the hell you're applying a job? Just build a whatever, just build a hotel app, just any kind of database app, just try to build any kind of crap shit. Even you can build a dog dating app, just build something on it. At least build two kind of things on. I'm not saying just build a CMS WordPress website. Build some kind of hand code a website, build on it, and then just put on your resume. Oh, and then whenever you apply a job, you can say I have done this project, I have done this project. If you do not have a regular work experience, it can cover up. For the employer, he must definitely look for the work experience or a portfolio. If the person you are hiring does not have a experience, just go with a portfolio. Second thing is try out with small project. If you have hired someone, yes, if you have hired someone, always try to give him some kind of small rather than just putting him in a big ass team which he can mess up. It can slow down the team motivation. It can become a burden on the team. Never should a employer do that. If you are a web developer, always be happy to start a small project. Do not become arrogant. Do not say no, I want to work big. A lot of web developers are overconfident. They say small, who the hell put me in a damn FF team. I'm gonna take the FF out of a team and then I'm gonna become a hero. That's never happen. If you do not have enough good experience, if you are just starting out, do not be overconfident. Just try to work on small project, even a single page web app, whatever. Just try to say yes into it. Do not try to become overconfident. Third is, if you are employed, just try to estimate, just try to do your calculation. Can this web developer can learn something new every 2 years? Just technology is changing rapidly. Today is Android. If we are hiring an Android developer, sometime next 2 years Windows Phone 8 can take off. So you should try to ask him, or your basically you should ask him. Even you should try to know, can this web developer, can this web Android developer, can this blah 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 can learn new skill within next 2 years? If we cannot, why the hell? Because for hiring a web developer, and then you have to try to fit in your culture, you have to try to fit in your whatever the company in it. It takes time. You can hire a new web developer, it's not so easy. If you are one of the developer is a web or Android whatever developer is, just try to be confident, just try to learn new technology. We all know the technology will not remain same. Like the VCR repair guy was so arrogant, so they said we will do the VCR repair rest of our life, and then the VCR repair boom go away. And then PC repair guy said we are going to build the PC repair, we are a most strongest guy. But where the PC repair now is web development, Android development. So if for example suddenly there's a shift to new technology, you should not be arrogant, you should willing to learn. Number third thing is, this is basically for the web developer here, and then I will come to this is basically for the employer, and then I will come to the web developer guy. For the employer, the basic, he should never ask some kind of question. Like for the in the web development, he should never ask the kind of question who built Java or PHP programming. He should never ever ask this kind of crappy question. He should basically check out the syntax of the programming, of the coding. Basically I would say, rather than asking who created PHP or Java programming language and in which year the Java or PHP programming was from, this kind of this question are crap question. Basically it mean nothing. Basically this question are really bullshit question. To be honest with you, if somebody can give you the answer, I mean if the developer can give you answer, it's good. Basically a lot of people guys who learn development, they do not learn the fuck, sorry I could not say, they could not learn the f history of it. Okay, they really do not learn the effing history of it. They know how to code rather than going with the biodata, who the hell created PHP, who the hell was that, who the hell was that. Do not ask these kind of stupid questions. And then same go for the web developer, whatever developer you are. You should never ask these kind of stupid questions from your employer at the job interview. You should not say, I know the history of that. I know who created PHP. PHP was personal homepage. Even a kid know. Everybody can Wikipedia. Just say, I have done this. I'm working on this. Can you give me? Can you give me a laptop? I can do some live coding in front of you. So never ask this kind of stupid question both from the employer and employee. And fifth is basically this only for the employer. Basically in English they are saying hire slow, fire fast. Basically mean slowly hire the best developer you can find and the fire fast. Bullshit. The real saying is that in the real world is hire fast, fire slow. Why? Because in web development it means web development, Android development mean money, you're losing it. Just try to hire a developer as soon as fast as possible, and then just try to put him in front of and then tell him to code. Basically if a developer become under pressure, he will really produce some good code some developer can't. But at the end of the day, if he really into programming, he want to really build a career out of it, if really he's passionate about that, he can come with it. But he is lagging behind, no, because most of the time a developer is not trying to meet the deadline, or trying to is lagging behind, not because he can't go, because of the culture, the new people, the new atmosphere, the new setting, or the blah blah, he cannot get comfortable. So never just try to do not try to be a big like try to be a godfather boss like in the Hollywood movie. You're fired. Do not do that. Just give him a time. Just try to be comfortable. Just call just try to call the developer in your office, have a meeting, and just try to ask what is going on. You're not producing good code. You're not trying to meet that deadline. What's going on? Are you facing personal problem? Are you happy in that? Can I help you? And the developer will be more happy to produce good code, and they will try to more motivate you. You have to motivate the developer, because hiring a developer is not easy. It's not like a cleric job. It's not like you hire a manager, you fire another, you hire some kind of hire some kind of whatever you are, like a labor, like a janitor, like a guard. And it's not like that. Developer is a real skill. You should honor the skill of a developer. You should not make a developer like a dog. You should fire it if you do not like. To be honest with you, I'm all into the developer rights. To be honest with you, we should have like a developer union, right? Where we should fight for Android developer, web developer rights. We are going to fight. Viva la revolution! Something like that. To be honest with you, yes, it's I hate this kind of culture. You fire immediately if you do not like someone. Never do that. To summarize is work experience portfolio. Second is try out something small. Third is can he or she learn two new skill every 2 years. Fourth is basically do not ask stupid question. Who is the creator of PHP? Who build Linux? Whole kind of that stupid question. Fifth is hire fast, fire slow. So if you agree with my list, just tell me. Do not agree with my list, just tell me. Leave your comment below. If you want to add something to it, leave in the comment below. Bye bye, and then check out my gmail.geek.com. Bye bye.